I need to be honest about something. There have been moments where a simple hug created more tension and impact than a kiss ever could. There are women who have walked away from relationships, developed strong emotional attachments, or kept thinking about a man constantly, without anything physical happening beyond that one embrace. Just the way he held her, the way his hands rested, was enough to stay on her mind. Most men don't realize this. They hug in a way that feels polite, distant, and easy to forget. And that's exactly why they never leave a lasting impression. But the man who understands the psychology behind touch doesn't just hug. He creates a feeling that lingers long after the moment is over. I'm Dot, and today we're diving into something most men completely overlook. You're going to understand why so many hugs fail to create any emotional impact, and the key biological triggers that can turn a simple moment into something unforgettable. You'll also learn small, intentional ways of using touch that make her replay the experience in her mind, and one subtle move that leaves her thinking about you even after you're gone. This first part is crucial because once you understand it, your entire perspective on attraction and physical connection will shift. Let's start with the reason most hugs don't leave any impression at all. Women can instantly feel the difference between a man who rushes into a hug and one who takes his time. When someone moves too quickly, it often comes across as nervous or uncertain, like he's afraid the moment might disappear. But when a man slows things down and gently draws her closer, it creates a completely different feeling. It's calm, controlled, and it signals that he's comfortable in the moment. That alone changes how her body reacts. The pace matters more than most people think. Fast movements tend to communicate tension or neediness, while slow, deliberate actions suggest confidence and stability. When you don't rush, it shows you're grounded and in control of yourself. You're not chasing the moment, you're allowing it to unfold. That subtle difference creates a sense of ease, and when she feels that, her body naturally relaxes. So the key is simple. Don't grab or pull abruptly. Guide the moment instead. Place your hand gently, apply steady pressure, and allow her to move closer at a natural pace. Slow everything down, even your breathing. When you do that, the moment feels deeper, and ironically, it stays with her longer afterward. But there's another layer that most men completely miss. Once she's close, where your hand rests can change the entire dynamic. There's a reason certain placements feel more impactful than others. A hand resting slightly lower on the back doesn't feel casual or distant. It creates a sense of closeness and presence that's hard to ignore. It feels intentional. This area is naturally more sensitive and less guarded, which is why it creates a stronger reaction. It's not about being inappropriate, it's about being aware. Most men stay in safe, neutral zones that feel purely friendly. But when you move with quiet confidence, it communicates something different. It shows you're present, aware, and not afraid to express yourself through subtle action. Another mistake many men make is ending the hug too quickly. They pull away almost immediately, sometimes even patting the back, as if they're trying to exit the moment as fast as possible. To a woman, that can feel distant or disconnected. But when you hold the moment just slightly longer, just one extra second, it creates a completely different effect. That small delay introduces a question in her mind. It makes her wonder what you were feeling in that moment. It adds a layer of curiosity. The key here is not to overdo it. Don't cling or make it awkward. Just allow the moment to last a fraction longer than expected, then step back calmly. That slight difference is often enough to make the interaction stand out. There's also a subtle detail involving proximity that can shift everything. When your face naturally comes close during a hug, it creates a level of intimacy that words can't replicate. It's not about forcing anything. It's about allowing natural closeness. Even a brief moment where she feels your presence more closely can trigger a reaction before she even has time to think about it. Another thing that changes everything is silence. Most men feel the need to fill the moment with words. They say something quickly, often out of habit or nervousness. But the second you start talking, you break the emotional tension that was building. Silence, on the other hand, allows the moment to speak for itself. When you stay quiet, it creates space for her imagination. She starts wondering what you're thinking, what you're feeling. That uncertainty keeps the moment alive in her mind. Instead of explaining yourself, you allow her to interpret it in her own way. And that's far more powerful. Movement also plays a role, even in small ways. When you release the hug, a slight, intentional motion, like your hand moving naturally across her shoulder or back, can leave a lasting impression. It doesn't feel accidental. It feels deliberate. And that's what makes it memorable. It's subtle, but it creates a lingering sensation that stays with her even after the moment ends. Balance is another important factor. If you're too soft, it can feel uncertain. If you're too firm, it can feel overwhelming. But when you combine steadiness with a sense of ease, it creates a feeling that's both secure and comfortable. That contrast is what makes the experience stand out. Now here's the part that changes everything. It's not just about how long you hold the moment. It's about when you choose to end it. When you step back slightly before she expects it, it creates a sense of unfinished energy. That feeling often lingers because it leaves something unresolved. The key is to end the moment calmly and confidently. Not abruptly, not awkwardly, just with quiet control. That signals that you're leading the interaction, not reacting to it. And that small shift changes how she remembers the experience. What happens right after also matters. Many men immediately break eye contact, look away, or distract themselves. But if you hold eye contact for just a brief moment after stepping back, it keeps the connection alive. It makes the moment feel complete, yet still open-ended at the same time. In the end, it's never just about the hug itself. It's about the presence you bring into it, the way you control the pace, and the subtle details that most people overlook. When you slow things down, stay intentional, and allow moments to breathe, even something simple can leave a lasting impression. Try it next time. Don't rush. Stay present. Let the moment unfold naturally, and pay attention to how the energy shifts. You'll notice the difference, not just in how she reacts, but in how the entire interaction feels.